Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Sometimes the simplest things are the best. I want to show you this Larabar Cashew Cookie bar because it is just 2 ingredients and it tastes amazing and is a perfect little snack. So this is made from only cashews and dates, that is it. And you can definitely just see that there are those 2 ingredients in there, there's nothing else. So this makes these gluten-free, dairy-free, vegan, plant-based. They have no added sugar. They are compatible with paleo and Whole30 diets. So a lot of people can enjoy these no matter what kind of diet you are on. And let me tell you, so delicious. So this really does taste like a cashew cookie. You have that delicious, rich sweetness from the dates and that natural sweet flavor. And the cashews add that sort of creamy texture that cashews have. You get a little bit of protein, you satisfy your sweet tooth, and it gives you a nice boost of natural energy. So I love to keep these on hand. I love to keep them tucked away in my bag or somewhere where I can just grab them when I need a little pick-me-up, and you're not gonna be sad about it. They taste so good. So I would definitely recommend these Larabars, and that's my point of view.